Hi guys, and welcome back to Hairstyle by Chris. So I was trying to create a Dutch braid look for my previous video, but unfortunately I have put French braid and I have been speaking about French braiding and whatever. Obviously a lot has been going on and I haven't been informing you guys, but I'd like to just say that we have been going through a lot as a family, and my mind has been all over the place while still trying to work and care for my 3 under 6. Quite honestly, I was trying to do a Dutch braid in my previous video as well and give you a tutorial on that. I am a self-taught hairstylist, so I've never studied in school or anything for hairstyling or hairdressing. I am currently trying to educate myself and get some more courses in, but it's been really difficult to do that. Hence why I just keep doing my thing and keep working on my content while still making my children's pretty hairs every single day and trying my best, you know. We're all human, we make mistakes sometimes, and I must have made a huge mistake in my previous video because it's true. When I looked at the video, at the actual video that I uploaded, because I have scheduled these. So most of my hairstyles are actually pre-scheduled. This one I just did today, but that one I had scheduled like ages ago. Anyway, scheduling up my videos are just easier. But the Dutch braid I'm making here, as you can see, I'm making a tutorial on this. So the Dutch braid I am making in this video is super easy to make. You just grab one side and you plait it under the braid and into the plate, grabbing a small section on each side and then connecting it with little braids. As you can see here as well, what I've done is I have not done it very good. There is still some hair hanging out, so I'm just trying to make it nice and neat with the little styling brush. And what I'm gonna do is put some little clips that will also match her uniform. As her uniform is green, this will look super cute, and it will also keep her hair nice and tidy, and it will not show the little bobs and bits that I have mistakenly done here. Moving on to the next side, I'm gonna split 3 ends again and just braid under the plate from side to side, and that's how I'm going to make the Dutch braid. Again, I am gonna make another video on French braiding because I can do that as well. I just, at the moment, I'm in a real rush and just trying to get this done for you guys. I know how important these tutorials are for some of you, and you know, there is a lot of people that are watching all this content of mine, especially on YouTube. So I'd like to say thank you for your support and for staying with me and seeing our journey, exploring different hairstyles with me and the most unique ones, as I am a very unique content creator and hairstylist. I do kind of come up with my own things and I really enjoy that. When it comes to naming braids, clearly I should be very careful of what I'm saying, because even if I'm tired or not, there is no excuse. I should be on top of this and be describing the exact braid I'm doing. So apologies for that again, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please leave a comment and a like and let me know if you wanted to explore some more different plates with me. I do these every day, so please let me know. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.